Let us understand the step-by-step process of creating a subproject in Strategic ERP. Navigate to the subproject form under the Leads Management module. Select the project name. Data will be fetched from the project details form. The name of the company will be auto-fetched based the project name. Select the subproject. Data will be fetched from the subproject master. The subproject code will auto-populate based on your selection. Enter the total number of car parkings and default number of car parkings. Select the HSN code tax code for the installment letter. Enter the GST discount and loading percentage, if applicable. You can mention the flow description in the given mandatory format. If there are separate agreements for construction and land, select yes. In this case, GST will be auto-calculated only on construction, not land as per government norms. Enter the land percentage based on the construction percentage. Select yes for finance posting from installment letter, if applicable. Similarly, select yes for finance posting from agreement details, if applicable. Select yes or no for GST on receipt basis, as applicable. Select the sales go-live date. Select yes or no for make cancelled unit available after refund, as required. Check the affordable rate checkbox, if applicable. Under the Unit Information tab, enter the total number of units, total sale area of units and basic rate per UON. Enter the unit cancellation charges either in amount or percentage, not both. Enter the brokerage percentage and the brokerage amount due after payment received from the customer. Under Floor Rise Entries tab, the floor rise rate will increase progressively with each higher floor. If there are any direction-based charges, select the direction and enter the applicable additional amount. Under the Society Details tab, select details such as possession date, handover date, registration date, RERA registration number, RERA registration date, OC issuing firm name and OC received date. If any unit-wise charge is applicable, select unit type name and enter the basic rate under Unit Type Details tab. Under the Floor Plan Details tab, enter the floor details and upload documents, if any. Under Commencement Certificate tab, select the date, reminder date and responsible person name. You can also upload a document if required. You can view and track updates under the Subproject Updates tab. You can also enter any FT details for tax and annexure bank details if applicable. Save the data and follow the necessary steps for approval. The process of creating a subproject is now complete.